Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick post review for this kit by Diamond Art, by Leisure Arts, powered by Diamond Dots. I don't know how many companies they need involved, but that's what happened. And this is Snowman Latte. As you can see, it was $28.99 at Hobby Lobby, but I did get it with a 40% off coupon back in the day. So there's that. And then this was the kit that it came with, you know, just your standard pen, this little wax. I hate this wax, but that's okay. And a tray. And here he is in all of his glory. Sorry, my shirt. This was a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And this is what he looks like. He had 23 colors, and I did run out of the number 16 8440, so I had to go pick these up for $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. So that was annoying, but otherwise it was a really beautiful kit. And this is him in all of his glory. So cute. And as you can tell, there is a ton of sparkle. No ABs. And there are a few places that I would get rid of. I would change. I don't really love this random orange scattered down here. And then like the tip of his nose, I don't know why it's a different color than the rest of his nose, but I would change that to be the same. But otherwise, super cute kit, really well made quality, super sticky canvas. Really enjoyed working on it. I'm gonna frame this for the holidays. But anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you're having a great day and night whenever you are watching this. And until next time.